Welcome. If you're looking to export all videos from a bot on the Telegram app using your PC, you're in the right place. With Telegram's latest update, downloading your favorite videos has never been easier. Let's walk through the entire process step by step so you can save all the videos you need in just a few clicks. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. Make sure you're using the desktop version for the smoothest experience. Once you're in, navigate to the bot from which you want to export videos. You can find your bots in the chat list on the left side. Click on the bot's name to open the chat. Now, with the chat open, look to the top of the window and click on the bot's name again. This will open the contact info panel, where you'll find more details and options related to the bot. In the contact info panel, locate the three dots in the upper right corner. Clicking on these dots will reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Export Chat History. This is the key feature introduced in the recent update, making it simple to export all types of media from a chat, including videos. A new window will pop up with several export options. Here, you'll want to check the box next to Videos. You can also choose to include other media types if you wish, but for now, let's focus on videos. After selecting your preferences, click the Export button at the bottom of the window. Telegram will now process your request and begin exporting all the videos from the bot's chat history. Depending on the number and size of the videos, this might take a few moments. Once the export is complete, you'll receive a notification in a folder on your PC containing all the videos neatly organized and ready to use. That's it. You've successfully exported all videos from a Telegram bot using the new update on your PC. This method saves you time and effort, letting you keep your favorite content safe and accessible anytime you need it. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your videos.